Dear viewers, today we will discuss concept of intelligence and heredity. Very important topic related to education psychology. The concept of intelligence and heredity in educational psychology refers to the debate about the extent to which genetics plays a role in determining an individual's intelligence. The heredity hypothesis suggests that intelligence is primarily determined by genetic factors, while the environmental hypothesis suggests that intelligence is primarily influenced by environmental factors such as upbringing, education, and experiences. Studies have shown that both genetics and the environment play a role in determining intelligence. Twin studies, for example, have found that identical twins raised separately have similar IQ scores, suggesting that genetics plays a role. On the other hand, studies of children who were adopted at a young age have found that their IQ scores are more similar to those of their adoptive parents than their biological parents, suggesting that environmental factors play a role. In education psychology, it is generally accepted that both genetics and the environment interact to influence intelligence. While genetic factors may provide the foundation for an individual's intelligence, environmental factors such as education, nutrition, and experiences can also play a significant role in shaping intelligence. For example, a child who is provided with a stimulating and supportive environment may develop their intelligence to greater extent than a child who is raised in a less supportive environment. Overall, the concept of intelligence and heredity in educational psychology emphasizes the complex interplay between genetic and environmental factors in shaping intelligence. While genetics may provide a foundation for intelligence, environmental factors can also have a significant impact on an individual's intellectual development.